Yeah. Yeah. I take moments and I get off the room and I kill these dudes because they can't consume. Boom. The gun is the range and the gun is the bang. But these niggas ain't got no lifestyle because my shit won't change when them CDs or them LPs and the shit just drop. I'm just so hot and you better just watch your watch. Watch that Glock. Niggas better understand it won't stop. You get killed for real over here. This is the deal. My LA, Los Angeles lifestyle, illegal. Desert Eagle, kill you like see no evil. Yo people, die today. You get killed through the faster blade. This is the way I say it so quick. You niggas still ride my dick. Ain't that your bitch? Nigga, get her off my shit. Cleansing my dirty knob. Fresh thoughts. I'm so fresh. Who the fuck get at me? Yeah, you just bloody next. Nigga, it's axe murderer. On, off. Can't even start it on the off, so don't start. Nigga, my life start bright. Nigga, I write, I fight. I only move with conflictions. These niggas is dying for the dividends. Nigga, don't touch me. Get out my pocket. Nigga, I only rock it. Cock that shit and then drop it. Stop it. Who the fuck wanna see the best? This is the abyss. You niggas better watch how I collect. Nigga, death threats, death collection. Niggas don't understand one weapon. Nigga, put on that shit and then I'm still stepping. Fighting like Ali. Niggas don't wanna rhyme in with the killer bee. Steam, nigga, I be the fresh nigga, the best nigga. Get at you niggas and then toe tag the next nigga. Nigga better ask Crowns Royale. Nigga give a fuck because we just roll spoil. Nigga to the heavens, to the Malayas. Niggas ain't playing fair. Holler at the mayor. Break 'em, break 'em nine. Niggas better understand I shine, I kill 'em. Niggas don't even got that style, I reveal them. I'm dipping them, I'm killing them, shitting on them. Switch my oasis. Niggas ain't got them sight killer faces. Take your place, take your bitch, and then ride or die. Now she my bitch. Niggas ain't got that real trick.